Hey there, I am Steve, and welcome back. Today I am on my Quadra 950, and I'll be playing the 1992 game Prince of Persia. And I played this game when I was a kid, but I was never very good at it, and I think it's because the controls are so bad in this game. Everything is so laggy, and I'm not even sure what the controls are. I looked around before I started this video to see what the controls are, and I really couldn't figure it out. So, see how far I can get, and hope you enjoy. Go make a new game. Okay, I've got 60 minutes to complete the level. So I can move around with the arrows. I can jump up with the up key. And if I get close enough to an edge, I can use the down arrow to go down. Let's see if I can get close enough to this ledge. The problem is, see, the controls are so bad that I couldn't stop myself or get close to that edge. There's like a minimum amount that your player can move. And that makes the game pretty difficult. Okay, so I can jump over this hole using the W key to jump. Okay, don't want to fall over that. So I activated the door over there. I want to get close, but not fall off. There we go. Let's try this again. See, I'm not sure what you could do to make that better there. Okay. Let's try not to screw this up. I remember getting frustrated as a kid with this game too. I think this game would have a lot of potential if the controls were better. It's a very archaic way of moving around. Okay. Maybe I can scoot forward doing this. Enough. Okay, let's turn around maybe? There we go. Okay, so it looks like getting down will let you more precisely position yourself. So, just come over closer to this, make sure I make it across. Learning that technique is kind of a game changer here. Okay. Okay. Get one more closer. Jump across. See if I can get up there in time. There is a tile there that'll slam the door shut on me. I did play this a little bit before I started this video. I'm going to creep to this edge here. I don't want to fall off. Unlike today's games, it's pretty unforgiving. It makes you go all the way back to the beginning. I think that's something that games today don't do a whole lot of. come back here. I'll do this the easiest way to get down there. It's my sword. Okay, I used the shift key to pick that up. I have no idea how to equip it though. Hopefully when I need it, it will, my guy might take it out for me. Whoop. Okay, so not sure what I need to do here. I need to get closer. Maybe jump? Okay, so jumping can move me as well. Should I try it one more time? Okay, that's probably as close as I should get. See if I can make it across here. Huh. He did not want to jump across that. Let's try it from here this time. Nope, he will not jump that. Alright, what happens if I just... Can I keep going up from here? Let me try to go up another one from here. Nope. For some reason I think I want to go across that. Well, here it goes. Yep. I had to start back at the beginning again. At least we're learning something here. Okay, so I can jump or crouch to get closer. Might as well crouch. Wonder if I can... No. So you do have to face away from the ledge in order to crouch down. Now if I come this way, yeah, there's a guy with a sword, so I definitely need to go get my sword. That also means that I probably need to get back to this point somehow. See if I can just jump over all of that. So I think if the more of that I leave, I think maybe the easier it will be for me to get back. I'll crouch over to this ledge, come down to the bottom. I'll use shift to pick that up again. Let me just make sure that I can't go up on this side. See what's up here. Oh, will. Okay. Well, I can go up there, but I definitely cannot get over there. So let's go back down. So this time I think maybe I'll try to come this direction. See what's down here. So I can walk through that as long as they've come up already. And it looks like this is a dead end here as well. So somehow I'm going to have to jump past. Let me get close enough for these spikes to come out. Somehow I'm going to have to jump past that part that I cannot get past. Compared to today's games, I think this little primer, this first level, is pretty difficult as well. But of course, it would really help if I knew what the keys were. So I've been using W and E to jump. I'm not sure. I guess I could try the up arrow here as well. So I'm going to hit right and up at the same time here. And I did not make it. Let's try this again. Okay. I'd really like to get to the sword fight. If nothing else, just to see if the sword comes out. Okay, I am having a little bit more success using just the arrow keys now. Whoa. Uh-oh. This game is just completely unforgiving. What makes it worse is the response to the keys. Well, this one moves, but I probably don't want to find out. Well, look at that. I guess I did want to find out what's down here. Okay, there's a potion. I gained some health back. I don't think I should go down any further. Okay. Did you see it moved me slightly there? So I guess if you're close enough to a cliff, it will put you there anyways. And I am back now. Let's pick up the sword. Okay, I'm going to move one more step this way. I'm going to try it again. I'm going to hit right and up at the same time. See if I make it. And I did not. Okay, one more time. Let me get back to where we were. Okay, what is this, fourth or fifth time? Back at the sword. I'm going to inch my way all the way to the right on this platform now. Try the right and up key. Okay. I think I could probably go one more. There we go. Alright, now right and up. If I don't make it this time, I guess this is probably as far as I can make it. There we go. Placement matters so much in this game. See if this is more difficult now that those are gone. Made it. Whoa. Uh-oh. Well, let me go back and get the sword. Okay, we're back. Glad that that took me that direction and I didn't have to Okay, I'm back to the beginning. So to the right here should be the guy with the sword. I have absolutely no idea how to draw the sword, so hopefully when we get close, we'll just automatically... Well, there you go. I think that's it for today. I'm sure I will get back at this game. Maybe I'll watch a couple other videos about this, see if I can find out what the keys are for this game, and I'll see you next time.